There were a few bumps in the road along the way. And since my wife, to say the least. Hi, my name's Allie. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I don't even need to explain why I'm filming this video. I'm just gonna let my room speak for itself, you know? Just gonna roll the clips and just get to it. So if you enjoy this, you know what to do. Let's clean. Hi, I don't know how I let my room get to this point, but here we are. This is my room's situation right now. Why is this brightness so intense? Oh my God. I'm pretty sure this is the worst my room has ever looked. I'm pretty convinced that my room is, yeah. This needs to change. I only have 30 minutes to clean this. So let's get started right now. But first, we need to set the mood. This is literally like a blowtorch. Are you kidding me? My dad would be so mad at me if he saw this video. Lighting my candles with a blowtorch. Clickbait. Peony petals. Lit. Insert the cute music. Also, y'all can't see my password. I'll play some Ariana, honeys. Put in my blowtorch right there. And my camera's about to die. Oh, we're already playing Ariana Grande. Look at that. We're starting off in my bed because, as my mom always says, if you don't make your bed, you're susceptible to a mental breakdown while you're cleaning. Let's do that. Just begin. All right. Oh my God. Okay, you're not Ariana Grande. Oh my gosh. But we will. Oh, I'm so hyper. Oh yeah, I forgot I drank coffee this morning. That's why. Do you guys think I can finish this in 30 minutes? I know y'all shaking your heads. Oh, it took a little bit of time away. Let's fold these clothes. We're gonna do this in a few minutes. We can do it. We can do it. Touch what's in my heart, baby. What can get so down? You know I really love this for me. Ooh, look how pretty that looks. Look at that. I love this setup for me. This is my life, people. This is also my life, people. Okay. Oh, okay. That works for me too. Oh! That literally just happened to me. Okay. Gonna prop everything back up and just plug everything back in and just make it work. Look at that, honey. Look at that. I'm crying. I haven't done that dance since my wife. Oh! This is why my dad doesn't let me. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. She's done her job. Part of that was burning my hair off. We're just gonna put her away. We're not gonna talk about it. Sounds good? Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for this. Y'all better give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I literally just burned my hair. That just happened, bro. That just happened. We're just gonna play some upbeat music and we're gonna call it a day. Alrighty. We're halfway there. We are officially done with the room, and we did it in 30 minutes. Look at us. I love when we prosper. Our room is clean, y'all. All right, y'all, we are done. Love this for us. My room looks so beautiful, y'all. It's crazy. All right, y'all, we did it. We are done. There were a few bumps in the road along the way. Okay. This is my wife. To say the least. But we did it. We cleaned our room in 30 minutes. We cleaned our entire room in 38 minutes, y'all. That deserves a round of applause. Just saying. If you want to follow along with my life, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Beauty by Alli 7. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it and found it funny. Also, make sure to check the description box down below for the links to my music channel, my Instagram, and everything like that. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye! You blaming yourself, cause honestly I should hold you alone. And baby, I got love for thee, so deep inside of me I don't know where to start, and the words can't even touch what's in my heart. Come right, be light, and I say, baby, 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 oh baby.